A very good looking stack of Ridgway Saraband china side plates, 7-inch diameter, gilt rims as you can see, vintage 1940s, 1950s, and here's the classic central decoration with what we think is hibiscus on white background glaze, but then this lovely turquoisey blue band lined in gilt. Nice period marks on this, they're all really nicely marked. Saraband by Ridgway. Established 1792 Staffordshire marks, 1940s, 1950s, the production period for this. Not in mint condition. There are little bits of wear on both the plate surface and on the bands. The sort of china that's made with these sort of, what's called ground bases, isn't it? Where you've got this sort of, it's got some texture in it if you look at the glaze. It's not a pure absolute colour, and it is a little soft and prone to scratching and stuff, so you will see very occasionally little marks on here where it's just had some wear over the year. These plates are very nice and clean considering their age, but do be aware they're not being sold as in mint condition. These are in used vintage condition, but very nice and bright nonetheless. And we have got a good volume of these, and the dessert and full dinner size plates. So if you're looking for a spring-like display on your dresser, and Saraband something that you either have in your collection or you're looking to extend, then this would make a very fine spring dresser collection display. Thanks for watching.